Hey y'all, this is Mrs. O'Connor Vince with another You.DJ tutorial. So I can select all these different effects here, and I'm going to show you quickly kind of how we go about doing that. Here we have speed. So this again will be affecting beats per minute. So again, kind of gives you that extreme wherever you push the mouse to this part of the pad, it'll either speed up or slow down. And again, you hear the pitch shift as well, which is what was interesting to hear. The pitcher only affects the pitch, and the speed affects both pitch and speed, or beats per minute. You can even see the pulse here when I did that.